Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I am so mad. Have you ever been so mad that you don't even know what to do? You don't know what to do with all those emotions? Well, today I have a really good idea. We're gonna make Get the Mad Out cookies. Here's what you're gonna need. You need 3 cups of oats, you need 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. What we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all these ingredients together into one bowl. Now you might notice I don't have any kind of spoon or any kind of mixing thing with me. That's because I'm gonna get the mad out on these cookies. I'm gonna use my hands and all that built up frustration, and I'm gonna knead these cookies. Oh, I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna get all that frustration out. And working with this dough already is making me feel better. Getting a lot of my frustration out, and in the process, making something really yummy. The more you mix, the more you knead it, the better the cookies are gonna taste. So take your time, get all that frustration out, keep going until you're not feeling angry anymore. All right, I have mixed this so much. I'm feeling so much better. I've made a big mess, which is okay as long as you are feeling better. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this dough and we're gonna make it into little balls and put it on our lightly greased cookie sheet. All right, now that I've rolled up all my cookies, it's time to put them in the oven. We're gonna put them in an oven that's preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake them for 10 to 12 minutes.
All right, the timer just went off. Let's take our cookies out. Oh, the smell in here is amazing. Look at our Get the Mad Out cookies. After you've let them cool, then you should taste them and see how you feel now. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.